everyone, how are you all? I hope you all be good. So my name is Chef Rahul Markam and once again welcome to my YouTube channel. So today guys we're gonna make Goma dressing lettuce salad. So if you don't know guys what is the Goma dressing, so I would like to let you know. Goma dressing, it's a made of sesame, roasted sesame. So majorly this Goma dressing used in Japan. It's a made of Japan. So it's our Goma dressing. So you can see the dressing of Goma. So we have lots of Goma dressing over here. So let's start. So guys, you can see all our stuff is over here. So for our salad, I took Roman lettuce, red spinach, cherry tomato, red radish, and some slices of cucumber, lolorosa lettuce, and rocca lettuce. And over here we have Goma dressing, okay, which is the Japanese dressing. So you can see the bottle of Goma dressing over here as well as. So let's start. We will. So first of all, we will put our lettuce. So it's our Loloroso lettuce, it's our red cabbage, it's our Roman lettuce, it's our Rocco lettuce, it's our some slices of cucumber, it's our some slices of cherry tomato as well as, and then I will put this Goma dressing. And I will mix it nicely. So now it's time to plating. So I will just keep it aside. It's our new plate for the a la carte. Very slowly we will keep up. We will arrange it. That red is for a garnish. So here we go guys. It's our Goma dressing lettuce salad has been done.